Looking to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals? Online surveys are your solution. Explore the top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site comes with its own availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing a survey platform, consider factors such as reputation, survey availability, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Ensure a seamless survey-taking experience by following best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Beware of red flags signaling potentially illegitimate survey sites, such as membership fees, scarce customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate endeavors, usually taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your insights and pay individuals to participate in surveys for market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.